My name is Manuel Lazo. I'm from Cuba, and I converted Islam today because I born in different religion, and different religion there is no satisfy, and the only this religion they have too many God, too many things, and I like Islam because the only one God. There's only one for all, Allah is the God, and this is why I chose now, and I'm here now. I'm in Islam, I'm a Muslim, and I'm happy now.
So Brother Manuel, please repeat after me. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
an la
alla
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
wa anna
anna
Muhammadan abduhu
abduhu
wa rasuluhu.
wa rasuluhu.
Allahu Akbar. Let's repeat the same thing in English so you will understand, inshallah. Okay? So please repeat. I bear witness
I bear witness
that there is no other God
there is no other God
worthy of worship
worthy of worship
besides Allah,
besides Allah,
and I bear witness.
and I bear witness.
I bear witness. I
I am the witness
that Muhammad
that Muhammad
is the slave servant
is the faithful
and messenger of Allah.
messenger of Allah.
Allahu Akbar. Congratulations. And Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he mentioned that anyone who embraces the faith of Islam, by the mercy and the forgiveness of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He's going to forgive all of your past sins. It's a wonderful gift that God has given to you. So from this point on, try to learn more about Islam, practice Islam, and propagate this wonderful message of Islam. Congratulations, brother.
Thank you to all brothers taking me today to the Islam, and I'm happy now.